Hey guys, welcome back to another review. We're doing the stove today. As you can see, it's a single burner stove. The legs are pretty nice. They fold in. Comes in this injection molded. It's got a hole in the bottom for drainage if it gets water inside for whatever reason. You know, it's good. When I got mine, it did not come with this adapter. Although the link I'm going to drop below, it will come with the adapter. That one wasn't available. This now it is. So you know, it's what you get. Right now this is $14.29 with the adapter on Temu. So pretty solid construction. Like I said, single burner. The edges here are rolled over, which will help give it rigidity. This piezo start. See if I can capture that in camera and see if I can focus in a little bit here. Having a hard time focusing. It doesn't mind my hands, but it doesn't like the stove. Anyway, but we're not going to just sit in here and talk about this. If you're looking at one of these, you want to know if they work. The ideal person is somebody who goes camping and backpacking quite a bit. Obviously, this will burn different types of fuels. It's got this adapter, it's got another adapter plus the one that comes with it. I will be using some of this today because that's what I have on hand. And so yeah, we need to go outside and play around and maybe even boil a pot of water, see what it does. But yeah, initially everything's nice and solid. I think it should work just fine. So let's head outside. Alright, we're outside, and let's do this. I've got it angled up. People say you're supposed to do that, so I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, I got everything hooked up, so we'll go ahead and I've got this shield around it, too, because it is kind of windy today, so whew, that lit quick. So piezo works. And we'll go ahead and put some water on top. Woo. And it's got a wide range of levels here. Since how this is not a cast iron pot, we're not going to try and melt our handle here. So let's give a little bit and see what happens. Okay, so I fast forwarded through all that so you guys didn't have to sit there the whole time. But as you can see, you do have a rolling boil. I'll annotate it somewhere how long it took. I'll check. But it seems to work quite well. Kind of breezy out here, and even in the wind, thanks to the shield here. I would recommend picking up a shield if you're going to go backpacking. They fold up pretty flat. I mean, they fold up pretty quick, flat, so yeah, if you're gonna go backpacking and they have a little stove like that, picking up a shield like this, they do have these on Temu as well. So that is something to think about. I did not get this. I've had this for a while. Excuse me. So do I think this little stove is capable of doing what it's supposed to do? Yeah, I've got nice hot water. I can make oatmeal, coffee, whatever you need to make. It works quite well. The adjustment valve here in the end, very finicky or very fine. I mean, you just crack it and you start dumping fuel into it. It opens up quite large. You will get quite the fire out of it. Enough fire to where it was overlapping this 8-inch pot. So, or is it 6-inch? Yeah, 6-inch. It was coming around the edges of the 6-inch pot. So, just for your reference, if you're going to use like a cast iron pan to make a steak with it, it will get hot enough to cook your steak. That shouldn't have to worry about that, provided you got enough fuel. So, do I think it's worth the 15 bucks? Yeah. Are there cheaper, smaller versions? Yeah. Are they as effective? Yeah, that's debatable. Depends on your needs. So, do I think this one's worth it? Yes, I do. So that's it for this video. Enjoy your weather wherever you're at. Be safe. God bless. And until next time, peace.